Do you dream of hitting the open road, exploring, and experiencing the thrill of overland travel or car camping solo? I know what you might be thinking. Is it safe? What if I break down? Where do I even begin? Well, fear not, ladies. This video is your ultimate guide to solo car camping, packed with essential tips and practical advice to empower you on your journey. Hey friends, thanks for joining us on another adventure. Traveling solo is more than just a trend, it's a movement. It's about freedom, self-discovery, and pushing your boundaries. But it's also important to be prepared and informed. So let's dive in and equip you with everything you need to know to make your solo adventure safe, fulfilling, and truly unforgettable. First things first, let's gather our essentials. In addition to your adventurous spirit, you'll need a reliable vehicle equipped for off-road travel. Think sturdy tires, recovery gear, water, food, and a well-stocked toolkit. Don't forget essential navigation tools like offline maps, a compass, and a GPS device. And while I hope you never need it, having some basic self-defense training under your belt and a personal safety alarm such as this one here can provide you with some extra peace of mind. While we're on the topic of personal safety, let's talk about the importance of trusting your intuition. As a woman car camping alone, trusting your intuition is paramount. That gut feeling is your internal alarm system, honed over generations. If a situation or person feels off, don't just dismiss it. Prioritize your safety and remove yourself, even if it seems rude or inconvenient. Remember, your well-being is non-negotiable. Now, let's get ready to map out your adventure. Step 1 is route planning. Thoroughly research your desired destination and at least 2 or more ways to get there. Consider factors like road conditions, weather patterns, and any permits that may be required. Online forums and overland communities such as Facebook groups are great resources for gathering the most current information about an area. If you are looking for a safe space to ask questions, please join the Ladies Overland Lounge group on Facebook. Step 2, safe accommodations. If it's your first time out alone, prioritize secure campsites or well-established overlanding spots. If you prefer more remote camping like I do, using apps and online tools such as Gaia GPS, freecampsites.net, Campendium, iOverlander, and FreeRoam will help you figure out where to start. Finding safe, dispersed camping spots requires a bit of research and planning. Utilize resources like the Motor Vehicle Use Map provided by the National Forest Service or Bureau of Land Management to identify designated dispersed camping areas. These maps outline which roads and trails within a national forest are open to motorized vehicle use, specifying what types of vehicles are allowed on each route. Remember to always prioritize using pre-existing dispersed sites over creating your own to minimize environmental impact. Follow the tread lightly principles. Step 3, educating yourself. Remember, practice makes perfect. Familiarize yourself with your gear before you hit the road. Take classes, ask questions, go out on a few girls-only trips, and learn from others. Find your tribe, find your community, and go out and explore with other women. I'm going to leave you with some little nuggets of wisdom from a seasoned solo female overlander. Stay connected, share your itinerary with someone you trust, and check in regularly. Invest in a satellite communication device such as a Garmin inReach, Zoleo, or Spot. Trust your gut. This goes back to our intuition, ladies. If a situation feels off, remove yourself from it. Don't be afraid to say no or change your plans if needed. There is no shame in packing up camp and leaving if something doesn't feel right. Most importantly, embrace the journey. Solo travel can be very challenging, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. Stay positive, be open to new experiences, and enjoy the freedom of the open road. Now, we know even the best laid plans can go awry. Here are some ways to handle common hiccups. Vehicle trouble. Learn basic vehicle maintenance and carry essential spare parts. Offline mechanic apps can be lifesavers. If you do have signal, looking up a YouTube tutorial or searching online in forums is another useful thing to do. If you're feeling unsafe, trust those instincts. We've already spoken about this a few times in this video, but it's important enough to keep repeating it. Seek out public places or connect with fellow travelers if you feel uncomfortable. Travel delays. Build a flexibility into your schedule. Unexpected delays can happen, breakdowns, other things like that, so have backup plans and enjoy the detours. Because remember, it's all about the journey. Solo travel is an incredible adventure waiting to be embraced. With careful planning, the right mindset, and a dash of courage, you can create a journey that is both safe and empowering. Remember to prioritize your safety, respect local cultures, and trust your instincts. Now it's your turn. Share your own solo travel tips in the comments below. Have any questions? I'm always here to help. Watch this video right here if you want to learn about the top 10 mistakes new overlanders make. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring travel stories and adventure advice. Be sure to join us on the Lady Overlander Radio podcast. We're here to educate, encourage, inspire, and empower women to break free, hit the road, and explore the world on their own terms. Each week, we'll bring you inspiring stories from women who've ditched the ordinary and embraced a life of adventure on the road. We'll share practical tips and tricks for everything from vehicle maintenance and trip planning to solo travel safety and finding community on your journey. Whether you're a seasoned overlander or just starting to dream about your first big adventure, Lady Overlander Radio is your guide, your companion, and your source of inspiration. Until next time, safe travels. Hey everyone, want to get even more involved with our community and support what we do? Join us on Patreon. You'll get access to exclusive content like behind-the-scenes footage, early access to videos, members-only live streams, and a chance to connect with us directly. Plus, your support helps us to continue to create the content you love.